Oopsie, sorry guys. So,
it's a pritong malagkit.
I hope the video is not done. Time to put it there. Toss it down.
That's not part of the game. If you lie down, you
So time to take a video.
and you need to take this much thing.
Okay.
Ow, it hurts. Oh, don't worry. We're gonna check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you hold the camera?
So you can message
Okay,
them
we're
this
gonna see it.
Look,
Chismisan ko sa
there's like Bernice's email. You can actually email her. Nandito yung email niya. Saka si Timmy.
That's good.
Si Timmy. Bakit
Wow.
wala sila
Yellow clay.
Hindi pa nila
na-accept?
Meron ganun sa group niya. Yung hindi... Ay, meron
So
naman
we're
ganyan.
gonna take it off and see what's in there.
Meron.
Hindi aware.
What is
Oh,
Ano
that?
nangyayari sa mundo?
Meron ganun. Ay, sige, paano ba yan?
You got a stop.
Tapos meron din naman
You
yung
got a
willing magturo.
baby.
So cute!
Time to get it out. Can you hold the
Ganito,
camera again?
Excited
I need you to hold the camera
tinatawag.
again.
Ganito, ayan.
Short pa bida.
Daddy,
Look at it.
you need to have this much.
It's so tiny. Now we need to just surgery. Put
Because
this
I can
here
do
and
the Tina and you are still lying down.
Ayan.
You can't. That's not allowed of the game.
I'm supposed to be sleeping, but I'm still playing with you.
You're meant to be playing with me.
I'm meant to be sleeping.
No.
I'm the only one making clay. Yeah.
look at the baby. Okay, so her name is Clea, and this is Claire. Okay, time to squish it.
No, okay, it's not asking. She just looks like me.
Bye bye.